Hey guys, Alec Peirce at the ranch with something kind of neat. There's quite a few of these in the market, but I think this is one of the very best. We'll find out in just a minute. Well, that was pretty easy. So with an 8-foot piece of wood, chopped them to 1-foot pieces or 10-inch pieces. So this is a bigger one. This piece is about, I would guess that's 3 inches. That's it, yeah. That's better. Wow. That does a nice job, eh?
Really easy.
Yeah, it's nice and light. Nice and light. Yeah.
Really easy to handle.
Good. All right, we're going to do some more of this. Normally I would have my chainsaw, but let's see how the Mini does today. And this is a good 4 inches, so we're going to give this a try. See what happens. I may have to go both ways. We'll give it a try. Let's see what happens. Well, I can tell you what happens. Look out, dear. It's going your way. Okay. Timber! Wow, hey, check that out. Look at here. That went through there in a couple of minutes. How long? 15 seconds? So I'm telling you, this is not a toy. Feels like a toy, looks like a toy, but this little bugger's a real tool. It is a genuine chainsaw. It uses genuine chainsaw, chain, teeth, everything exactly like our big, my big 455 Rancher Husky. It's beautiful, powerful too, eh? I thought I'd have to take 2 cuts at that. Let's try another one. I'm not sure what, I think it's a beech sapling here, 4 inches at least. Well, yeah, 4 inches down here. It's got quite a lean to it and it's leaning right over the laneway, so I'm going to take this out of here as well. And I think this time, so it doesn't split down there, I'm going to make a little cut on the back side like this. About 1/3 of the way through, and then we'll knock it down from over here. Now I got to cut it up so the farmer can get through here. God darn it, forgot about that. Let's see what happens. Let me get by this old bit of wire fencing here, dear. And we'll come up here and see how quickly this cleans up. Oh, quickly, I'll tell you that. Just like that. Ow! Dropped the tree on my foot. That's pretty good, huh? That's sure a lot easier than carrying a big chainsaw. I mean, you need a chainsaw sometime, no question about it. But for little stuff like this, cleaning out trails and so on, boy, oh boy, that does a good job. Yeah, great job. Okay, we'll go back to the garage and I'm going to clean it up and show you a couple more things. We've been using it for, half an hour at least. Now I've read the instructions. And it pretty much what I thought. This little machine works just like a regular chainsaw. Now I'm going to do a couple of things here while I talk to you. I have no idea at the moment how long this will last. But it's the easiest thing in the world. Let's charge this up, plug the charger in, and stick the plug into the battery pack. Red light's on. When it's charged up, the red light becomes a green light, I'm pretty sure, and we'll know in just a few minutes. And then, as I thought, just watch the blast for 1 minute. There we go, clean it up. Now, as I thought, this tool, which is supplied with the mini chainsaw, is for loosening the bar. And what you need to do if you're going to change the chain, or if you're going to, this is the best way to do this, there we go, or if you're going to adjust the chain. So you just put that on like that, and then screw it a bit, like so, and then using the other tool that comes with the Saker mini chainsaw, you reach down, you can see down in there, anyway, you can see it, there's a Phillips head screw down in there, and they supply the screwdriver, and you turn it counterclockwise, I'm sure. If you need to loosen it, and just like a normal regular chainsaw, they say this should be tightened up until the chain has about 2, maybe 3 at the most millimeters of play. Well, but like that, maybe a little bit more. I like them tight. They don't usually get loose, tighter. They get looser if anything. So that's about right there. And then don't forget to retighten the bar locking nut. Recheck. Now you notice the battery's out. Trust me. Check after you do that up. Check. Make sure first of all that the chain is the right tension, and then I should have a glove on here, Dana. Anyway, and then check to make sure that it's rotating smoothly, which it's doing just perfectly. When we were out there, we discovered a couple of things. First of all, it's so light. It's handy. It's like lighter than a hammer. Huh? I could go crazy with this, and but that makes it very nice. We discovered something else. The body right here has some ridges on it. We found if you hold the mini chainsaw against the branch that you're cutting, push it in. So instead of the branch being way out here, put the branch in right to here, and then start your chainsaw and start cutting like so. Well, we find that it doesn't chatter, and it seems to make a nice clean cut right through. What else was I going to do? It explains in the instructions how you can use these same tools to take the chain completely out. If you need to, this nut comes off like so, and then this whole assembly comes off like so. And inside here is the drive clutch. There's the bar, and it's like a real chainsaw. I guess it is. It is a real chainsaw. It's super handy, small, and a real bar and chain. And the gear clutch is in here. The clutch is in here. There's your adjusting screw and nut. Everything. It's just fantastic. It's a great little machine. A couple of things that I know from chainsaw use is that when you put it back in, make sure that this groove is clean. You need to get something thin, a thin screwdriver or a nail, and go around that to make sure that that groove is clean. Also, something else that I've learned over the years is that when you take the bar out to sharpen the chain, or whatever you're doing, take the bar out. Whenever you do that, when you put it back in, turn it over the other way, because the bar tends to get, depending on who's using it, the bar tends to get worn on one side. So if you flip it over every time you take it out for whatever reason, then it will wear more evenly and the bar will last longer. I'm going to get a hold of Seiko and make sure that we can get extra chains and bars, because I can see we're going to be using this a lot. So it's just about that simple. It goes back in exactly the same way. Yep. Nice little tool, absolutely. We're going to do some more cutting. We'll get out there and do some real cutting, some branches, high branches. I can see for our horse trails, we can use it to cut high branches off. Much, much easier, much handier than a real chainsaw. A chainsaw probably weighs about 15 pounds. Pretty hard to hold up, especially for an old guy like me or an old girl like Diana. Anyway, yeah, it's pretty nice. Saker mini electric chainsaw. Check it out. I think you'd be happy. I'm really pleased with it. And we'll report some more on it in another video. Okay, guys, you take care. Alec, Peirce at the ranch.